Hi, my name is Erica Steeves, product stylist and commercial photographer. I'm super excited to be talking to you today from Vancouver, Canada. I'm on transit going to Kona, Hawaii. I'm working with a client and we're going to be creating content for her Airbnb. It's going to be a jam-packed week. I'm going to be hoping to capture all of the magic behind the scenes, so stay tuned and wait to the end to see the final edited images from today. Remember to like this video and subscribe to my channel. A new video will be coming out as often as I can. I know in the past I've said every Tuesday and I really try to do this, but I want to make sure that I'm focusing on the quality of the videos and not just the quantity. So if there's a delay or if I don't post every week, know that I am thinking of all you, and remember to hit the notification button so that you can be notified when new videos are coming out from me. Okay, I made it. I am in Hawaii. It is around 9:30 island time, but that is actually 3:30 a.m. Montreal time. And I left my condo at 4:30, so this is approximately 24 hours later. Feeling pretty tired. After I got off the plane and I got my rental car, the very first thing I did was I brought myself to a Target. If you're Canadian, you know. But I stocked up on some things, some essentials that I'll need for tomorrow morning. Anyway, I'm going to go to bed and get hopefully an early start on tomorrow. Anyway, stay tuned. Excited to be invited to stay in this beautiful space in paradise. We are capturing tons of content, and it is such a great opportunity because during COVID, so many people realized how important it was to diversify their income and are making new revenue streams for themselves. And there's a big opportunity in the Airbnb market. So there are new business owners and they need help getting content, and that's where you come in. So come behind the scenes with me today as I show you a little bit of the content that we're creating. All right, so introducing my client, Allisha Arnold. She's going to share a little bit about why she hired me today.
Hi everyone. First of all, Erica is an amazing photographer and I am a short-term rental coach or Airbnb coach. I teach people how to start up and market short-term rentals. I am also a short-term rental owner. So we're in my condo in Kona, Hawaii, and I have real estate shots of this space, but they're very static and they don't let people know all of the great amenities of my place as well as my personality with my coaching. I use these images for a number of marketing channels such as social media, online course sales pages, and my website. So I'm really excited to have some new content. We're shooting both still and video clips. And I've been following Erica for years, and she has just a really great lifestyle touch and getting you into the mood of this space, which is really what I'm looking for. I already have those real estate photos that show the space, but I really want people to be able to imagine themselves in the space and get to know me as an Airbnb coach. So really excited for the shoot today.
One thing that we're going to be doing is creating reels with all those little video snippets, but then we're also going to be creating little promotional videos that we can do advertising on Facebook, YouTube, and any other platform that makes sense. I think it's also a really great way when you do video to show spatial awareness of how everything kind of interacts with each other in the unit. So transitioning from the kitchen to a living area, transitioning from how they would come in the door and where the bedrooms are located, where they can drop their different articles and stuff like this. I think all of these little things really personalize your marketing for your Airbnb to give the people when they're coming what to expect as soon as they walk in the door. Another little pro tip when you're doing Airbnb content like this, think about a lot of the different attractions that that area would be known for. In Hawaii, it's really known for their Kona coffee. So we did a little setup that you'll be able to see of how you make French press coffee using some of the Kona coffee that you can have here, and really get them excited about trying all of the different things that the island has to offer. One of the easiest ways to elevate your photography and create more of a lifestyle vibe is to bring fresh ingredients into your space. You could have a bowl of fruit, you can have plants and different things like this, and a lot of times when you're renting an Airbnb, those kind of things can be really expensive. But just outside, this is a tropical climate. I brought scissors outside, I did a few clippings, and I was able to bring some life into the space very easily. And I think the host was really excited as well, because she saw how easy, the possibility, and at no extra expense to her, but it's just a little forethought for her house cleaner to refresh them maybe monthly or as they die, that it could really add an extra element to the booking. These are just some of the other plants that I grabbed from the local garden here, and if you leave these in water, they could last up to a month, which is really amazing. And if they start growing roots, you can just leave these in here indefinitely until they grow to be too big for that pot. I think that's a really great way, an interesting way that you can add a little bit of lifestyle easily, even to your own space or to the photos that you're shooting. Okay, good morning. I am just getting my day started. Got a full 8 hours of sleep last night, which is perfect. My goal for today is find coffee, find the beach, Wi-Fi, maybe an activity, and then tonight I'm doing a luau, which I booked. I'm really excited about this. So stay tuned and let's go do it. This is Erica from the future. I am back from Hawaii. I forgot to do an outro when I was there, but I'm super excited to share with you this video. Thank you for watching this long. As a thank you, I do have my onboarding process that you can download. The link is below. If you liked this video, give it some love, share it with somebody, give me a thumbs up. Give me a comment. I appreciate all the support. I know, like I said, I haven't been on here, but I'm looking to ramp things back up, and I've been working behind the scenes, creating a lot more content. So stay tuned for more videos coming. But yeah, anyway, thank you for watching today. I hope that you got some inspiration, and until next time, keep shooting and having fun.